Welcome back to World Auto TV, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have something really exciting for you, the brand new 2026 Toyota Hiace Navigator. Whether you're looking for a reliable family van or a spacious vehicle for business, the Hiace Navigator is designed to impress. Let's dive into the details of this incredible ride. First, let's talk about the front of the 2026 Hiace Navigator. Toyota has given this model a bold, modern look with a revamped grille that's larger and more aggressive. The sharp LED headlights, combined with a redesigned front bumper, add a touch of sophistication. It's perfect for anyone who wants a stylish yet practical vehicle. The Hiace Navigator gives off a commanding presence on the road, making it ideal for both city driving and longer trips. Now, moving to the back, we see a spacious, functional design. The rear is equipped with wide sliding doors for easy access and a large rear hatch for extra cargo space. The 2026 Hiace Navigator also comes with new, sleek taillights that enhance its overall modern look. Whether you're loading up with luggage or gear for work, this vehicle has plenty of room to accommodate your needs. When you step inside, the front interior of the Hiace Navigator will impress you. It features a modern dashboard with a large touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration for seamless connectivity. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed for comfort, and there's ample space for up to 3 passengers in the front row. The cabin feels airy and welcoming, with premium materials used throughout. Now, let's talk about the back interior. The 2026 Hiace Navigator offers a flexible seating arrangement, capable of accommodating up to 12 passengers. The seats are designed for comfort, and there's plenty of legroom, so everyone can enjoy the ride. The rear area is versatile with ample space for luggage or equipment, making it perfect for family trips or business needs. Plus, with air conditioning vents in every row, all passengers can enjoy a cool, comfortable journey. So, what does all this luxury and functionality cost? The 2026 Toyota Hiace Navigator comes at a starting price of around $45,000. It's a competitive price for a vehicle with so much to offer, especially if you need something spacious, practical, and stylish. That's a quick look at the 2026 Toyota Hiace Navigator. With its updated design, spacious interiors, and impressive features, it's ready to take you on your next adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates from World Auto TV. Thanks for watching.